Hello, boys and girls, let's go. A 10-day trading strategy for beginners. Day trading is the act of bidding and selling in financial instruments, which the same day or even multiplying time of the course of a day. Taking advantage of small price moves can be a lucrative game if it is played correctly. Yet it can be dangerous for beginners and one else who does adhere to a well-tried of trading. Not all brokers are seeking for the highest volume of trading. Day trading generates. On the other hand, same fit perfectly with the trends. These are list of the best broker for the trading for house that accommodation influence who would like to day trading. The online brokers on a list interesting brokers and people has professional or advanced versions of the platforms that feature real-time strategies quotas, advanced chain tools, and the ability to end-to-end modify complex orders in quick systems. 10-day trading strategy for beginners. 1. Acknowledging is power. 1 day. In indication to quantities of day trading progress, day trading need to keep up of the latest stock market news and events that affect stock. This can include the Federal System's interest rate plans, leading indication, and was economic, business, and financing news. Go your homework, make a which list of stocks you like to trade, keep yourself information about the select company, their stock and general market. Can be business news and book market, reliable online news sources. Today, set asset forms. Essence and comment to the amounts of capital you village to risk on each trading. Many systems for day trading risk let's that 1 to 2 of the common spec trading. If you have 20 trading account and are village to risk 5 of you captain of your trading you maximum lost per trading to house America super amounts of funds you can trading which are and are prepared to close 3 days. Set asset time. Day trading requires your time and attention in fast. You need to give up most of your day. Don't consume it if you have limited time to space. Day trading requires a trader to track the market and stop opponents that can arise in any time during trading hours, meaning may and moving quickly and gay. 4-day start small is a beginning focus on a maximum of 1 to 2 stocks during a session. Trading and winning opportunities is with just enough stock. Resizing it has become increasing common to trading a factory chess. That lets you specify smaller the dot amounts that you wish in invest. This means that in Amazon shares are trading and 1 million many brokers feel one lets you purchase a fraction. Therefore, an amount that can be low 25 lets that 1% of full Amazon share. 5-day. Avoid penny stocks. You probably look of others and low price, but stay away from penny stock. She stock are often leaks and the chance of hitting the jackpot which then offer black. Many stock trading and $5 just become delicate from major stock exclusions and only trading are the content unless you still read opportunities and don't you recension street clear of this. 6-day time house trades. Many orders place by invest and trading begin to exist and so on as the markets open in the morning, which contributes to price volatility. As sections play may be able to recording patterns at the open and time orders to mark profits. For beginners tools it may be better to read the market, which market any moves of the next 10 to 12 minutes. The middle house are usually less volatile. Then movement began to pick up again towards the close bin, towards the last horse of opportunities. It's safe for a beginning to avoid that at first. 7-day. Get low switch limit orders. Decide the type of orders you use to enter and exit trading. Will you use market orders in limit orders? A market orders in exactly at the best price available at the time, which no price requirements. It's usually when you just man and or are of the market and don't care about getting filled at a special price. 8-day. Be recycles about profits. A strategy does need to secure correct at the time to be profitable. Many successful trading may only market profits they traded. However, they may move in the wishes that they loss on the loser. Make sure the financial risk on your trading limited to a special traders of your account and that entry and exit more than clean defaults. 9 days. Stay cool. They are time when the stock market tests news as a day trading. You need to learn to keep growing hope and run all at a day. This article shows be governed by logic and not emotion. 10 day sticks to the plan. Successful trading have to move fast by they don't have to think fast. Why? Because they developed a trading strategy in advance of which the dispensations to stock to in it is important to follow your formulas close trading that to choose profiles. Don't let your emotion get the best you and make you about your strategy. By aiming most of the trading plan you trade and trade you plan. Now, goodbye.